Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a quick video for you. This is video number 2 of the Law of Attraction strategies or tips. So in the first video you can see yesterday, so check that out if you haven't done so. We spoke about the first thing that you want to do before you even start doing anything from the Law of Attraction. At least, again, this is the way I do it. Okay, so if you're interested in my journey with the Law of Attraction, do check out the link below or go straight to the website. It's attractyourdreamstoyou.com and you will be able to see for free. There's a little box there, you can request the information, and I've put together a Law of Attraction guide, and you'll see the exact steps that I took to manifest a BMW M4, one of my dream cars, my only dream car at the time. And you'll be able to see exactly what I did. Just a little disclaimer with all these videos, I'm not saying that I magicked it, like I didn't sit here on the sofa and suddenly it just appeared because I was thinking good thoughts. I show you in a practical sense. I think the Law of Attraction is real. I think it's a fantastic tool, but I think it works in a practical sense. Okay, so a lot of it's ethereal, but really what it does is push us to action because of the resonance that we're becoming. Okay, so if you're flat, if you're down, if you're not feeling good and you've got problems and you've got all this stuff going on, it's very hard to get motivated and do the actions. If you're feeling really good, you're more likely to take the steps. So do check it out. It's attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and I'll drop the link below. If you like these videos, do give us a thumbs up, and I'll give you the second strategy or second tip. So the first one was the reset method. Do check that out if you haven't checked it out. That's the first thing I recommend. The second thing that you want to do is define it. Okay, really simple. You've probably heard it before, but let's say you want some money with the Law of Attraction. Okay, it's not good enough. It won't do anything if you just say, I want some more money. Okay, another thing that you have to watch out for, at least in my experience that's worked like this, is it's not good enough to want money for things that you need money for that don't inspire you. So, don't make the mistake of, if you need money for bills, okay, you need money to pay the bills, it's never going to work with the Law of Attraction, because you need money to pay the bills or the rent, but you're never going to get those good feelings. You're never going to elevate yourself just thinking, as soon as I get money to pay the bills, I'll feel really good and inspired about my future, because you have to do it every single month. So yes, it's okay to want money to pay the bills. I'm not saying that, of course, but use the Law of Attraction with something that inspires you. So not just to pay the bills. Where do you want to be? What would you use the money for? What if your bills were not a problem and they're getting paid? What does that look like for you? What are you doing in your life? And think like that. And to do that, you have to elevate yourself, which we're exploring the coming weeks. Mentally, you have to elevate yourself in terms of feeling, how you feel. But the second thing is define it. So what I mean by that is actually write down, describe it, write down. If it's money, the exact amount of money. Okay, if it's a house, the exact house. What's it going to look like inside? Do you know what every room looks like? If it's a car, do you know? And you can see that story, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. You can see how I did it with a car, and I knew exactly, before I even sat in the car, I knew exactly what I wanted and the add-ons and what the seats would be like, and whether I wanted a convertible or a hard top and so on. Okay, so the second thing that you want to do is define what you want. So I recommend going to write a list of 5 things, just starting off really small, 5 things that you know that you really, really want. And the chances are, if you can't get the Law of Attraction to work for you, it's normally because you haven't defined it. Okay, so it'll never be enough. It doesn't inspire good feeling if you're just going, right, I need some extra money to pay the bills. I'll tell you why. Because when we explore the next thing, which is living in the end, living as though it's already been done, it's never going to inspire you just going, right, I need more money, I need a car, I need this, I need that. You have to really put some work in and really define it, and that will really, really help you. So give that a go. Do check out the website attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and that will give you the free guide showing how I did it, and you can use that to start getting some results. So give that a go and subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Cheers, guys.